Hey, what's going on everybody? I know who it is, it's JJ. As y'all can see, I'm without my glasses today because I'm picking up this 99 Blazer. Just gonna see if it's any good. But yeah, no glasses today because, you know, trying to do some eye exercises, they say. Trying to train and strengthen the eye muscles. Because I was watching a video and like, it kind of made some sense to me. Because the guy was like, you know, people get glasses, and you know the glasses doesn't actually improve your eyesight. You know, because he was comparing it to like braces. He like, you know, teeth are not straight, you get braces, they straighten it. You get glasses, you know, they just keep upping your prescription. They don't not really helping. So I'm trying to work out, do some eye exercise, see how that's going to improve my vision. Like I really only need glasses really to see at nighttime. But I don't really drive at nighttime anyway, so. Not that big of a deal. But see y'all when we get to the Blazer. Sitting right in my face like the old people say. If it was a snake, it would have bit you. Like they put a little alternator on there. Where's the little thing at? Hold on. Alright. Look like they gotta put a new alternator up on there. That's fresh, clean oil. Like they just got to change. Like, okay, good little battery up on there. Make sure. Well, they had this little thing, took a little care of it. Okay. Coolant is real, and you can see it. It's still low though. Real low. So you know we topped that off at the lot. See if they got something in the overflow. Oh man, really ain't got nothing in the overflow. Got a good set of tires on this thing. So got the little vortex in there. I should have brought some coolant with me, but you know. Here the moment thing, and then I was by myself today. My dad's busy, my brother's busy, so you know, this is me. So we gotta have a tank of gas. Ain't got no check engines. Got the old radio. Carpet need a little vacuum up, but the oil is fresh. Tires are good. Is it? I thought it was 4-wheel drive. It ain't 4-wheel drive. Could have sworn they put 4-wheel drive on the thing. They might have sold me. Let's get up out of here. Keep my eye on the temperature gauge. You know, only thing we're gonna worry about since it was like really low. Just going back all the way up out of here. Stop by like the dollar store or something. We'll probably get it back. Like I said, it wasn't like completely empty, but it was really low. So yeah, I bought like like a Nissan Maxima and a Nissan Sentra. I gave like $1,100 for both of them, but people, these dealers, these sellers are crazy right now. They was on like 24, and like they wanted 24 for one and 22 for the other. And I'm like, nah, because if I give you that, then no, I can't give you that, and then be trying to fix it, and you know, then if I try to fix it, then when I'm gonna sell it, like just because I can't guarantee that car is just gonna come from the auction and they're just gonna be good to go, you know, so. It was not 100% chance. It wasn't 100% guaranteed that I bought these two Nissans. And because me, I always think like when I'm buying a car, you know, $200 to $500 worth of work somewhere in there. On the cheaper end, I'm gonna put like $200. On the higher end, I'm gonna put $500. On like the higher end, I'm gonna put $500 plus dollars. You know, maybe if it needs to go to Wilson, if it needs to go here or there, you know. Could have sworn this was tripping. I could have sworn it said four-wheel drive on the paper. I could have sworn it did. Though. But maybe it didn't. Cruising. About to see if we got some gears, baby. We gotta make sure we got gears. We know we got a reverse gear. We know we ain't got no check engine lights on. We know our oil pressure is good, you know. I don't know if our temperature hand working, but we're gonna have to wait and see if it warms up, you know. We're gonna be careful. Motor sounds good, Okay, we got the shift. We got the first one. Alright, couldn't really do nothing else because I'm waiting on. We got a second shift. We got some loud road noise though. A lot of road. Trying to get my okay. See, I see the temperature hand creeping up. So temperature hand working. You see it slowly creeping up. Good brakes, good gear, good brakes when it shifted to some good. See, this is what I like, you know, something like this, you know, I'm gonna go get it, vacuum it up, the oil's already clean, you know, I'm gonna vacuum, like I said, vacuum it up, and, you know, wipe it down, oil's already fresh in there, tires already good, make sure, you know, this coolant, you know, you know, make sure it ain't overheating, make sure it ain't got no leaks. And then this thing will be up here ready to post, and you know I can post it. You know, I paid $700 for it. If all I gotta do is just top it off with some coolant, you know, sell it, you know, $1,400, $1,500, you know, double my money real fast. Like that's why I kind of just go try to buy from here, like Oklahoma Auto Exchange, because now I just like want, because like I know these cars are already Oklahoma title because they already here majority of the time. Majority, about 95% of the time it's going to be Oklahoma title since it's already here at the Oklahoma auction. So now I know that I can just go and sell. I can take the car today and I can, you know, clean it up and I can sell it. I can have it ready for sale tomorrow. And I know, because even if I have to get a title for it, you know, if for some reason I have to get a title for it, they couldn't provide me with a title, and I have to buy a bill of sale only, I know it's a way easier process getting the car that's already been registered here in Oklahoma than from a different state. So, but we're gonna cruise, and if we stop, y'all see it. If not, then we'll see when we get to the lot, and I'll do like one little final walk around, and then that'll be it. So we good. We got it right here. We're gonna get the photo op. Boom! Look how good that thing look. Yeah, that's definitely a. We now that we taking pictures, the price just goes up now. Now it's a good look. Oh, that's almost dropped my phone. You know, that's about 1,800 now. You know, we was at 14, 15. Now we up to 18. You know, we might look at it one more time. You know, we might be up to, you know, look at it again. We might be up to 2,000. What the heck is that? Oh, that's one of those little weather stripping. I think I got some. Calm down, you're messing up. Hey, you're messing up the photo op right now, man. Just hang on over there right now. Let me get my photo op done. Then I'll put some little adhesive glue on you. This has got a clean body, man. This body's clean. Only damage I see is a little right there, but I mean for a 99, you know. What can you expect? It's pretty pristine for a 99 Blazer. get the interior, front and back. Right there. See, it says service 4-wheel drive, but I don't see a button for the 4-wheel drive. I don't see a switch for the 4-wheel drive, so I don't know. Maybe they just had it in all these clusters, but I'm pretty sure, unless, you know, this cluster got changed, which that's more than likely what happened, that this cluster, being this old, probably went out, so they probably switched it with one. So that's what I'm assuming that it did. You know, it's an older vehicle, and like on a lot of the Chevys anyway, like that little light in those dashes probably went out, so they probably end up replacing. But it doesn't look like the dash ever been out this vehicle, so who knows? Maybe the 4-wheel drive is somewhere that I'm not even seeing. You know, it's somewhere. But we got our pictures, and then I'm gonna vacuum it out here. You know, make sure all the fluids and stuff just top it off. You know, the oil was clean. You know, but I'm gonna just make sure all the other fluids is good. Like the coolant hand stayed like right under the half where it needed to go. So obviously it's just a little bit low. It's not all the way low. So but I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, you know, like the video, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And let me know in the comment section below. Was $700 a good deal on this Blazer, and how much would y'all sell it for? You know, I know some people probably had this Blazer up there for like $2,800. I'm not that. I'm gonna make me, you know, $500 to $1,000, and I'm gonna move on to the next one. And we out. Peace.